Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to make group calls in WhatsApp Desktop in 2023. As we all know, WhatsApp is one of the most popular messaging apps in the world, and the ability to make group calls is a great feature that can help you stay connected with your friends, family, and colleagues. So, without further ado, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is to download and install WhatsApp Desktop on your computer. You can do this by going to the WhatsApp website and downloading the app for your operating system. Once you have downloaded the app, double-click on the setup file and follow the on-screen instructions to install it on your computer. Once you have installed WhatsApp Desktop, open it and log in with your WhatsApp account. If you haven't already linked your WhatsApp account to your desktop app, you can do so by scanning the QR code on the screen with your phone's camera. To do this, open WhatsApp on your phone, go to the Settings menu, and select WhatsApp Web Desktop. Then, scan the QR code on your computer screen with your phone's camera. Once you have set up WhatsApp Desktop, you can start creating a group. To do this, click on the New Group button on the left-hand side of the screen. You will then be prompted to enter a group name and add members to the group. You can add members by typing their name or phone number in the search bar, or by selecting them from your contact list. Once you have added all the members you want, click on the Create button to create the group. The group will then appear on the left-hand side of the screen, and you can click on it to open the group chat. To make a group call in WhatsApp Desktop, you need to first initiate a group chat. Once you have opened the group chat, you will see a phone icon in the top right-hand corner of the screen. Click on this icon to start a group call. You will then be prompted to select the members you want to include in the call. You can select members by clicking on their profile picture and then clicking on the Add button. Once you have added all the members you want, click on the Create button to start the call. During the call, you can mute or unmute your microphone by clicking on the microphone icon, and you can turn your camera on or off by clicking on the camera icon. You can also switch between different camera sources if you have multiple cameras connected to your computer. If you are having trouble making a group call in WhatsApp Desktop, there are a few things you can try. Firstly, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. A poor internet connection can cause the call to drop or become unstable. You should also check that your microphone and camera are properly connected to your computer. If your microphone or camera is not working, the other participants in the call will not be able to hear or see you. If you are still having trouble, you can try restarting WhatsApp Desktop or restarting your computer. If none of these steps work, you can contact WhatsApp support for further assistance. And there you have it, folks. That's how you make group calls in WhatsApp Desktop in 2023. It's a simple and easy-to-use feature that can help you stay connected with your loved ones, no matter where you are in the world. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.